Hello friends, in the previous video we have seen that how do I search a number in a given list of n numbers, and even we said how do I display the position. What if I ask you to do a count of the numbers? Suppose if I want to know that how many of the students have taken 98 marks in the entire subject. So I have to take 98 and compare that with all the numbers in that particular list. And I have to keep a track of how many times this particular number has occurred. So again, let's discuss the input. First, what I need to do is I need to read the length, that is n. Then I have to read the elements which are stored already. Let me use the space and do it horizontal. Array you can draw it as horizontal or you can draw it as vertical. And then this is the number which is supposed to be searched. So the length of the array, this is the length, these are the numbers, and this is the search number. So we have read the length, we have read the numbers, and then we have read the number to be searched. Now what I need to do is I need to take this particular search number for comparison. I need to take this particular search number for comparison, and every time when it is compared, I need to use something called as a counter. So here, let me use k as a counter set with 0. So let this counter be increased whenever this x matches with any of these numbers. But when a number is found or when the number is searched, don't stop this particular search operation, because there will be multiple occurrence of that particular number. Hence, I had to go till the last value. And at the end, I am supposed to stop this particular operation. So when when k is 0, start with the operation x equal to a of 0 or a of 0, 0 equals to x. If true, then increase the value of k to 1. Then again search the number. If it is true, then increase the value of k. Keep on comparing every element of the array with the value of x, and when it is found, then state the value of k as 2. Keep on doing this particular operation till all the numbers are going to be completed. So it means that I am supposed to start from 0 and go till n minus 1 without using a break instruction. Why without using a break instruction? As I said, there is a possibility that there are multiple occurrences of this particular number. Let's look at the code and illustrate this with an example also. So the input which I stated, I'll read the numbers. Let me say n as say 5. Enter the numbers. I'll read the numbers in this particular array. So let me say 12, 5, 12, 12, say 7. And then enter the number to be searched. I'll say the number to be searched is say 12. I need to know how many times this particular number has occurred in this particular list. So what I'll do is I'll start this particular array from 0 to n minus 1 with the value of k, the counter variable, as 0. So here k is not a flag. If you are still in the previous video, there I had used k as a flag. Here I can use k as a counter. Flag is nothing but a simple variable which is set with 0 or 1. You can even say that as a 10 and 20, 11 and 12, any number. One number indicates not found, one number indicates found. Here, your k is not a flag variable, k is a counter. Since k as 0, so start this particular comparison. A of I equal to x. So 12 equal to x, true. True in the sense, change the value of k to 1. And then continue this particular operation. 5 equal to 12, false, don't do any operation. 12 equal to 12, true, k is 2. 12 equal to 12, true, k equals to 3. 7 equal to 12, false. When false, we will not do any operation. And finally, what I'll do is, I'll end this particular loop, because when I goes beyond this particular location, automatically it ends up. And then I'll say printf total occurrence equals to %d, comma value of k, and k is 3. So k is 3 in this particular part. 12 has appeared thrice. So if you need to know how many students have scored 100 out of 100, if you want to count, say at what days or how many times the temperature of a city has hit say 40 degree or 45 degree, you can use some number and search that particular number in the list of n numbers. Probably when I say search n numbers in a list of n numbers, it will be general. But when I say that I'm supposed to do it for the specific values, in that case I'll be doing this particular operation of searching this particular number. So I can display the value of k, and finally the k value is 3 in this particular case. What if the number is not found? Suppose if x is say 1. So 12 equal to 1, false, 5 equal to 1, false, 12 equal to 1, false, 12 equal to 1, false, 7 equal to 1, false. Is your k incremented anytime? No, k is not incremented anytime. It means that k remains value as 0. So when I quit the loop, it will say total occurrence equals to 0. Even in that case also, it works. A number is found, the value of k gets incremented and then it is displayed. And if the number is not found, k maintains a value as 0 and then automatically it uses. When you compare the program of the previous and the current video, you will find that they are identical. One uses a if else at the end and uses a break instruction. Here, no if else and no break instruction. So don't get messed up with these programs. Observe and analyze with the title. And in your exams, you are supposed to analyze the title and then present your answer. Hope so that both the programs are crystal clear with respect to the title and with respect to their meanings. Thank you.